கேம்ஸ் கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் 5th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 2 சயின்ஸ் ஃபஸ்ட் லெசன் ஃபுட்டு அதோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் பார்க்கலாம். சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். 1. The biotic factor which spoils the food item is bacteria. 2. Grains are preserved by drying. 3. Anemia is a disease which occurs due to lack of iron. 4. Storage of excess fat in the body is known as obesity. 5. Carbohydrates are rich in rice. Night blindness is caused by the lack of vitamin A. Marasmus is a protein deficiency disease. 3. Bad smell from the food item is due to evaporation. 4. Humidity in air is one of the decomposed factor which spoils food. 5. Using low quality gas tubes in the gas stove may lead to gas leakage. Match the following. Protein deficiency, kwashiorkor, requires vitamin D, obesity, physical inactivity, kerosene, inflammable material, freezing fruits. Say true or false. 1. Vinegar is added as a preservative for pickles. True. 2. Irradiation affects the taste of the food materials. False. 3. In case of gas leakage, we can continue to use electrical appliances. False. 4. Deficiency due to iodine is called as beriberi. 5. Growing children need more proteins in their food. True. Answer the following. 1. Define deficiency disease. Deficiency is one or more of the nutrients causes various diseases. These are called deficiency diseases. 2. What is known as balanced diet? The food we normally eat in a day in our diet for growth and maintenance of good health. Our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. Such a diet is called balanced diet. 3. How can we prevent obesity? 1. Avoid fast foods, fried items and meat with more fat. 2. Eat fruits and vegetables, legumes, whole grains and nuts. 3. Do regular physical exercise. 4. Don't play games in computer and mobile phones. 5. Have proper sleep time. 4th question. What should we do in case of minor burns? In case of minor burns, the burnt area should be held under cool running water for some time and proper medical treatment should be given. 5. Define spoilage of food. The change in the normal state of the food is called spoilage of food. 6th question. What is the purpose of food preservation? 1. To retain the color, taste and nutritive value of the food. 2. To make food available throughout the year. 3. To prevent the growth of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi in the food items. 4. To reduce the wastage of food materials. 5. Preserving food not only protects our health but also makes food available to the people who need it. Answer in detail. 1. Write about food preservation methods: drying, addition of salt, addition of sugar, freezing. First one, drying. It is the removal of water content from the food by drying it in the sunlight. Example, grains. Addition of salt. When salt is added to food, it removes the water from the food. Example, fish pickles. Addition of sugar. When sugar is added to food, it dissolves the water content of the food and preserve the food items from spoilage. Example, jam, fruit juices. Freezing. The microbial growth and the enzymes activity on the frozen food items can be prevented by this method. Example, fruits, vegetables. Boiling. It kills the microorganism present in the food materials. Example, milk, water. Canning and bottling. In this method, food is packed in airtight cans so that germs do not grow on them. Example, milk powder. Addition of chemical preservatives. Chemical preservatives are added to stop the growth of microorganisms in certain food materials. Example, sodium benzoate is added with fruits. Sulfur dioxide is added with dry fruits. Vinegar is added with pickles. To explain the different types of food. Different types of food: grains, vegetables, fruits, milk, meat, fish, egg, fat, oil, salt and sugar. Major food items: carbohydrates, honey, sugarcane, fruits, whole grains, vegetables, rice. Proteins: legumes, pulses, nuts, soya bean, green leafy vegetables, fish, egg, milk. Fats: egg yolk, saturated oil, meat. Write about kitchen safety. Kitchen is an important place in our homes. We prepare our food in the kitchen. We use gas cylinders for cooking. Some of us may use electric stoves. The equipment and the environment in the kitchen may be little dangerous, so we need to be cautious and careful. The following table gives what should we do and what we shouldn't do while handling gas cylinders. Do's, don'ts. Keep the cylinder in vertical position at plain level and in a well-aired place. Do not keep the cylinder in horizontal or inverted position. Keep the lighter ready and then turn on the gas stove knob. Do not turn the knob before lighting the lighter. It may lead to gas leakage. Keep the windows and doors open to ensure ventilation in case of gas leakage. Do not turn off an electrical appliance in the kitchen. If there is a gas leakage, it may lead to fire. Always use ISI standard gas stoves, regulators and gas tubes. Don't use low quality gas stoves, tubes, and regulators. It may lead to gas leakage. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.